Hey, you need to watch this video before taking your next sip of whiskey. Hi, I'm Sonal Holland, and today I'll share 3 tips with you to take your whiskey experience to the next level. Number 1, swirl the whiskey in your glass gently. We swirl wine vigorously to unlock its bouquet of aromas, but that's not the case with whiskey, and we simply swirl it gently so that the excess alcohol vapors evaporate and give it a smoother taste. Number 2, sniff 3 times, each time drawing your nose a little closer to the glass. Resist the urge to dip your nose right into the glass to avoid the alcohol burn. And number 3, sip, don't guzzle. Take a tiny sip and let the whiskey touch all parts of your tongue before you swallow. Take another sip, maybe a little more this time, and reflect on the mouthfeel, the texture of the whiskey, and its exquisite taste. Tag any whiskey lovers you know in the comments below and help them elevate their whiskey tasting game. Cheers!